Hi everybody, it's Therese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share a video response to Deb Houck's, I think it's an index card challenge giveaway. She's celebrating her 1K plus subbies. Yay! A couple days ago I had done a video of my challenge, and I was making her a 4x6 card. I was in the process of making her one, and I messed up. And it was a good mess up because I'm going to give her this card as well. So here's my my 4x6 card that I made for Deb. I was just going to put this aside and just keep it in my stash, but I figured I made this for her, and I'm just going to give it to her anyway. It was my mistake, not hers. I didn't follow directions. So if you saw my video, I had layered pink and white lace in the background. I inked the edges. I added it's like a acetate flower, couple flowers together. I added this double finger bow that I learned again from Mars from Michigan, and I added it to the card with a ribbon rose, and then I added some more butterflies. I know that Deb loves butterflies, so I kind of like filled it with with butterflies. Even the paper has little butterflies on it. Here's a metal piece with some bling on the center. This says "Good Times, Best Day Ever." I put a metal key there because I just thought it would go. I love adding metal pieces along with fabric and ribbons, lace in the background. It just makes it fun. So this was a mistake, but it was a good mistake because I'm giving this to her as well. I really liked that one. So on my live feed yesterday, I did this one, and I added some paper from the same paper pad. Let me see here. I have it here. It's this paper pad from Hobby Lobby, and I liked it because it had all kinds of birds and flowers and vintage, sheets along with butterflies. So this is a really nice pack. I added some it's like a light blue lace in the background. I know she likes coffee, and I just added a donut because coffee and donuts go together. I added some pearls. This is an acetate piece from my stash. It says "Be happy for today. Always beautiful always," or I should say always beautiful, but beautiful always. I added one of my little tiles that I made for Scrap Ben Saturday, and I added a metal flower and a pink bling, and I thought it was really cute. This piece was not on my feed, but I just added it, and to me it balances it out. And then I have my information in the background here, which I love this vintage image. So this is the size that she wanted. Okay, it's a 3x5 IC card versus the 4x6. Okay, so those two are going to go to Deb. And then I went ahead and I made a ATC because I felt so bad that I messed up. But I'm going to give her an ATC as well. And I hope she likes what I created. This is a burlap lace heart that I had in my stash, and it was on my desk, and I was just, I'm trying to use what I have. I put the word wonderful from Dollar Tree. I have another piece of lace from this lace that I added on here. Kind of coordinates together. Here's some Prima flowers. Here's a pearl bling from my box of bling. And here's I think this is a Cane Company butterfly, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. And I Mod Podged the paper in the background, and I'm going to put my information on the back. And I'm going to give this to Deb as well for her challenge. So yeah, that is my entry to Deb Houck's. I think I'm saying your name correctly, Deb. It's Deb's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. If you want to go check her out, I'll have her link down below, guys, so don't worry. If you guys want to check her out and join in on her challenge, it's good until May 31st. She's having awesome prizes, so go check her out, and I hope everybody enters. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, another thing. I will be on live this Friday. So if you guys want to join in and see what I'm creating, I'm gonna, I think I'm going to be making a flip book for Happy Mail with Tina and Family's swap that I'm in. So I got to get that done too. So thanks everyone again, and bye. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.